How to log in into Telegram account with email. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can sign in into Telegram account using our email address. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, launch the Telegram application in the mobile device. And if you have already logged in, but if you want to log in using your email address, so for now Telegram requires your mobile number to log in. But if you want to use your email address, you have to turn on two-step verification by providing your email address as your backup email. So what you have to do is tap on the three-line icon at the top left here, tap on the settings. Scroll down a bit and head towards privacy and security. There is an option as two-step verification. Tap on it. Now tap on set password. Here enter a password. Then tap on next. Again, re-enter your password. Then tap on next. If you want to create an optional password hint for you, you can do that as well. If not, you can skip this. So here you have to add a recovery email, which will allow you to log in or restore your Telegram account. So here enter your email address that you want to add. Then tap on next. Now to complete this verification step, you will receive the verification code in your email address that you have added recently. So go back to your email and check for the verification code. Here is my code and enter the code right here. Now once your password has been successfully set, you can return back to the settings, and here your two-step verification is already enabled. If you want to change the recovery email, you can do that from this page, or if you want to disable password or change password, you can do that as well. Now if you go back and whenever you log out of your account, tap on log out. Now if you try to log in, it will require your verification code from your Gmail account, and in this way you can use your email while try to log in into Telegram account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.